Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to win an auction on eBay. So the first and I think the most important way how to win an auction is to set a maximum bid. So open eBay firstly, and then let's suppose that I want to bid for example these headphones, and press place bid button, and here you should enter the highest amount of bid that you're willing to pay, and eBay will automatically increase your bid as needed to keep you the highest bidder among others. So also important tip is that you don't need to place multiple bids too early, and you need to wait until the auction is nearing to end, and then place your best bid, and this can prevent others from outbidding you in time. Also, what's important that you need to keep an eye on the auction and watch for any last minute bidding activity, and you can set alerts for price changes of this item that you want to purchase, that you want to place a bid for. Also, you can try looking for auctions with fewer active bids or items with limited availability, and this can increase your chances of winning the auction. So yeah, I think that was the main points how you can win an auction on eBay. I hope this video helps, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.